Okay, so this video is regarding intellectual property in terms of broadcast media. So step one, you gotta obviously understand what counts as protected intellectual property. The following are protected rights you cannot use without permission unless an exception applies. So this starts with music, to TV shows, films, sports broadcasts, artwork, books, video game footage, etc. Moving on to step two, you should understand how to use other people's intellectual property correctly on YouTube, obviously, because that's what this is about. You generally have four lawful options. Option A is to get permission and licensing. Option two is to use content covered by YouTube's built-in licensing. An example of this could be the audio library, which we're using for Project 3. Project 3. Option C talks about relying on exceptions, fair use, and fair dealing. And finally, option 4 talks about use public domain or Creative Commons material. Step 3, you should look how to represent IP properly on YouTube. You have to provide attribution when required. You must not imply ownership or affiliation. You have to use disclaimers correctly. You have to follow YouTube's metadata rules and follow broadcast style clips use standards. Now, you are probably wondering what happens if you use IP incorrectly. A few things could happen. You could receive a content ID claim. This could be monetization redirected. Limited visibility, possibly blocked in some regions, things like that. Another thing that could happen is a copyright strike or trademark or privacy claims. Mid-video is crazy. Anyways. Step 5, best practices for creators, your IP safety checklist. So before uploading, do you have rights? Is the use transformative? Things like that. After uploading, keeping the documentation, respond to claims with evidence, and avoid repeat infringements if possible. And that will wrap it up otherwise for intellectual property on YouTube in terms of broadcast media and things you should look out for.